Hi, I'm Raghav Agarwal. I'm from DAV Paschim Vihar.
Hi everyone, I am Nishita from DPS Rohini.
Hi, my name is Thabir. I'm from Susdeva, Pitampura.
Hi, my name is Vashi Singhania. I'm from Kyalmangalam, Bikaspuri.
Hi, I am Arjun. I am from GD Goenka, Paschim Vihar.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Rawal and I am from GD Goenka, Paschim Vihar.
When I started 12th, I was like very demotivated. My teachers were, you cannot do it. Some motivated me and I wrote those 3 gestures and that was enough.
First class I came here as a tuition, but second class I came here because I wanted to come, not because it was a tuition.
Most of the thought कि यार eco BST कौन tuition लेते हैं उनके लिए वो तो आप बस रट सकते हो, right?
One thing that I've always cherished about Vivek sir was his commitment that he showed. Anytime, even it was 1 o'clock in the night, he has not had his dinner, but he was always with us. And that commitment, I am surely gonna take ahead in my life.
I have made so many friends and so many people here. Not only this place is like a home to me.
All it took for Vivek sir to win my heart was one class. And पहली class में he pumped me up with so much of confidence, and I was like, yes, this is the place where I wanna be.
So grateful to have you as our teacher, and we assure you that what you give, we will give back that in 110%.
We love you, Vivek!